Curious about Internet Explorer on Windows 11? In the next few moments, I'll guide you through the steps to install and use Internet Explorer, the classic browser. Stay tuned to explore how to leverage Internet Explorer on your Windows 11 system. Open Microsoft Edge and click the ellipsis button on the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. Next, click on the default browser option. Under Internet Explorer Compatibility, click on the drop-down menu next to Allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode and select Allow. Next, click on the Restart button. Open Microsoft Edge, then click on the ellipsis button in the top right corner to select the Settings option. Tap on the Add button from the Internet Explorer Mode Pages section. Type or paste the website address you want to see in Internet Explorer mode and click on the Add button. When you access the website, you will have the option to reload in Internet Explorer mode. Note that if you don't add the website URL first, you won't see this option in the menu. If you want to load the website without the IE mode, delete the website by clicking the bin icon in the Settings menu. Follow the steps from the first solution until you reach the default button option in Microsoft's Edge settings. Under the Internet Explorer Compatibility section, click on the Let Internet Explorer, Open Sites in the Microsoft Edge drop-down menu, and select the preferred option between. Never Internet Explorer will never switch to Edge to load the website. Incompatible sites only. Internet Explorer will still load the websites, but those designated for a modern browser will load in Microsoft Edge. Always, Internet Explorer will always switch to Edge to load sites. Websites will now open in Microsoft Edge, according to your configuration settings in the second step. You will know you are in IE mode as a little Internet Explorer icon will appear in the address bar. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.